iPhones are packed with features that most users don't actually know, and they're just sitting there on plain sight, allowing you to do much more with your iPhone and of course make things much easier for you. Like this one that I'm about to show you guys on the Shortcuts app. Did you know that you can actually set the per app volume on iOS? So if you have any app which you want to have the volume, let's say at a certain percentage or maybe even muted or set at the max whenever you open it without you having to change the volume, well, you can do that very easy with the Shortcuts app. You tap right here on your shortcut. This is on iOS 27, but if you're on iOS 26, you will get the automation section right there. So you go to automations, and all you have to do here is just search for app where it says app, then here we have it right here. Now what you can do here is choose the app where you want to use this feature. So if I go with App Store in this case, I can go ahead and choose App Store. So it says when App Store is open, and then right here search for volume. So that we have set volume, and now I can just go ahead and set it at any percentage I want. I can set it at 0%, and just like this, whenever I open the App Store, the volume will go down automatically to 0%. So as you can see right here, if I have the volume all the way up, I can just go ahead and open the App Store, and the volume will go down as you saw right there. Even if I pull down the control center, you can see now the volume is at 0%. Now here's one really useful one for the calculator app. I'm pretty sure most of you guys don't know about this. So if I'm calculating something, so let's say 88 plus 99, if I wanted to leave that 99 there, most people would do like this to have the buttons, or if it's a bigger number, you will have to press quite a few times. But did you know that the clear button in this case will work only after the plus sign? So if I just tap this, I tap clear, it won't clear everything. It will clear just the number after the plus sign. So right there, it brings me back to my initial numbers right here. So it's actually really cool. Now in this case, you will also have then the all clears, which clears everything. Now, if you haven't been doing this and you tap here and it clears just that, but you want to clear everything, then you will have to press and hold here the clear button, and this is the way to clear everything. Did you know that you can actually mark up on Safari? So here's how you do it. You want to share like a screenshot, you will be able to actually do it. You press here on view more, and then you will be able to actually mark up directly from here. So you tap there, it shows you the web page, and you will be able to actually mark up here anything you want. Press right here, press markup again, and there you will have the tools which you can use to mark up on Safari. And of course, it will work like any other markup feature that works on like photos and things like that. You will also have here the undo and redo button, which is actually pretty awesome. Now you can also tap here on the arrow. You can see right there at the top, they will have the arrow. You can go ahead and save it to files, or you can actually tap here to share it anywhere you want as a PDF document. Now, of course, with the markups that you have done. Now here's another really cool feature on Safari. Whenever you're sharing a web page from Safari, you're sending it to iMessage, you can go ahead and select any text you want. So let's just open this. If I go ahead and select a piece of text right here, and then I go ahead and tap on share to share this web page, what it will do is that it will share the web page, but the title, basically the preview of the web page, will, as you can see right here, be the text that I have actually selected on Safari. This is really awesome. If you're sharing a web page, but you want to like spotlight something, focus on something, you can do this, and it's actually very easy to do. Moving on to iMessage, whenever you want to share music from the music app on iMessage, the easiest way to do that is tapping the plus button. Tap on music, and then right here you will have your recently played music, and from here it is actually very easy for you to go ahead and share your music with anyone you want. As easy as that, you can send any of the recently played songs right here directly to the basically contact that you have on iMessage. And here's one of the most useful features on the Notes app on iOS. This is actually really cool, and it will save you a ton of time. So you open the Notes app right here, tap this button, and then you will have record audio. from here you will be able to actually record audio directly into the Notes app. This is actually really cool. If you're trying to take a quick note and you don't want to type, you just want to record, you can actually do that just by recording the voice right here. You can even tap this button that will actually show you the text basically as it is recording it on your device. This is really awesome. And if you have a device with Apple Intelligence, then you will be able to also see a summary right here, which is really cool. So there you have the summary, which is going to be loaded right now. And then you tap that button, here you will have the recording, which is really awesome, and you have the transcript as well. Now from here, you can view the summary, you can rename this, you can even save it or add to the recording directly from here. As I said, this will allow you to copy the transcript, so you can basically copy that note and use it anywhere you want. So now I have the transcript here copied. I can paste it right here, and as you can see, we have the full transcript here of everything that we have actually added to that note, which is really useful. Now here's one really useful on the home screen. Just like you do on text, you can actually shake to undo on the home screen. If I just go ahead and move an app right here, I can shake to undo, and it's actually very convenient. So you can see right here, it shows the undo move app, undo, and it brings back the app to its original place. And you can do this with things like widgets or apps directly from your home screen. Now for the last couple of ones, we're staying here on the home screen. A forgotten feature of iOS is of course the 3D touch menus. They're actually quite useful, but most users don't actually use them or not even know that they can actually do some really cool stuff with 3D touch menus. And we're talking here about two of those. First of all, on the Maps app, I can just tap there, and this allows me to quickly mark my location. I need to mark maybe my parking or something like that. Directly from the 3D touch menu, we can just go ahead and mark the location, or maybe even send the location to anyone you want directly from here. On the App Store app, you know that when you try to go to the updates of your app, you will have to go through a few different pages. Well, with the 3D touch menu, you can do that directly from here. App updates, you tap there, you're directly into the updates for your apps, which is really awesome. It will save you a ton of time. So that's basically it for this video, guys. These are some really useful iPhone features hidden in plain sight that most users don't actually even know about. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, smash the like button, and of course subscribe for more. I'll see you guys on the next one.